Looking for the best snowshoes of 2025? Whether you're a casual hiker or a backcountry explorer, the right pair makes all the difference. We've rounded up the top 5 snowshoes that offer superior traction, comfort, and durability, ensuring you stay safe and efficient on any winter adventure. Number 1. G2 Light Weight Snowshoes with Toe Box. The G2 lightweight snowshoes with toe box are an excellent choice for winter enthusiasts looking for durability, comfort, and performance. Made from high-quality HDPE, these snowshoes provide exceptional flotation on snow, helping users conserve energy while trekking through snowy terrain. Designed for extreme weather, the fast ratchet binding allows for quick adjustments, even with frozen hands. This feature ensures a secure and hassle-free fit, making them ideal for outdoor adventures. The improved aluminum crampons offer superior grip and stability on icy surfaces, enhancing safety and confidence while hiking. For added comfort, the snowshoes feature a soft EVA foam padding, keeping feet warm and reducing strain during long hikes. Additionally, the Flex pivot bar and heel lift provide natural movement on both flat and uphill terrain, improving overall efficiency and ease of use. With a combination of strength, stability, and comfort, the G2 lightweight snowshoes are a reliable companion for winter hiking, offering excellent performance in challenging conditions. Number 2. Odoland Snowshoe with Trekking Pole. The Odoland Snowshoe with Trekking Pole is a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a lightweight, durable, and comfortable snowshoeing experience. Designed for both men and women, these snowshoes are available in 3 sizes, 21-inch, 25, and 30, to accommodate various weight ranges, ensuring a secure and stable fit. Crafted with a strong aluminum frame, these snowshoes feature an ergonomic design that enhances comfort and ease of movement. The large flat surface area provides excellent flotation, while the reinforced sawtooth traction system offers a strong grip on icy terrain, improving stability and safety. The package includes adjustable trekking poles, which can be extended from 25.5 to 54 inches, making them suitable for different heights and adaptable to various terrains. Additionally, the waterproof leg gaiters made from punji fabric offer protection against snow and moisture, keeping users dry and warm. With great traction, adjustability, and added accessories, the Odoland Snowshoe set is a fantastic option for winter adventurers looking for a high-quality, all-in-one snowshoeing solution. Number 3. MSR Lightning Ascent Snowshoe. The MSR Lightning Ascent Snowshoe is a premium choice for mountaineering and backcountry exploration, offering exceptional traction, durability, and ultra-light performance. Weighing only 4.18 pounds per pair, these technical snowshoes are designed for rugged terrain and steep ascents, making them ideal for serious adventurers. Built with 360-degree traction frames, they provide edge-to-edge grip, ensuring superior stability on traverses. The steel DTX crampons deliver aggressive bite on icy slopes, keeping users secure on alpine terrain. The Paragon bindings feature a contouring one-piece strap that wraps snugly around boots, eliminating pressure points while offering precise foot control and easy alignment. For uphill efficiency, the Ergo Televator heel lift bar flips up, reducing fatigue on steep climbs and making ascents more manageable. Measuring 8 by 22 inches, these snowshoes can support up to 180 pounds, while the bindings accommodate men's shoe sizes for 0.5 to 15. Made in the USA, the MSR Lightning Ascent Snowshoe is an outstanding choice for those tackling demanding alpine conditions, offering unmatched grip, comfort, and performance. Number 4. Tubbs Flex RDG Snowshoe for Men. The Tubbs Flex RDG Snowshoe for Men is designed for comfort, control, and superior traction, making it an excellent choice for winter trekking in various snow conditions. Featuring the boa closure system, these snowshoes provide a precise and secure fit with a simple turn of the dial, allowing for quick adjustments on the go. The advanced torsion deck enhances mobility by allowing torsional articulation, making movement more natural and efficient on uneven terrain. For added stability, the 3D curved traction rails offer exceptional grip on icy and hard-packed surfaces, especially on side hills where traction is crucial. To improve uphill efficiency, the active lift heel lift helps reduce calf fatigue and Achilles strain, making steep climbs more manageable. Additionally, Flex tail technology ensures a smooth and natural stride by absorbing impact and allowing the snowshoe to roll from heel to toe with ease. With its intuitive design, advanced traction, and ergonomic features, the Tubbs Flex RDG snowshoe is an ideal option for men looking for performance, comfort, and reliability on winter trails. Number 5. Atlas Snowshoe for Men. The Atlas Snowshoe for Men is a high-performance option designed for technical terrain and challenging winter conditions. Equipped with the BOA Fit system, these snowshoes offer a secure and precise fit with a simple turn of the dial, ensuring comfort and stability even in demanding environments. Constructed with the helium deck, the snowshoes remain lightweight by shedding excess snow while also enhancing traction for better control on snowy trails. The helium MTN crampon provides reliable grip on various snow and ice surfaces, offering confidence and security for backcountry adventurers. For uphill climbs, the heel lift feature helps reduce fatigue and strain on the calves, improving grip and efficiency when tackling steep terrain. Whether on deep snow, icy patches, or rugged landscapes, these snowshoes provide exceptional stability and performance. With a lightweight design, secure fit, and superior traction, the Atlas Snowshoe for Men is an excellent choice for winter enthusiasts who demand reliability, comfort, and control in all snow conditions.